Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today's topic will be how to make a rap beat that will knock your socks off. Making the right rap beat can be a challenge, especially if you're just getting started with producing music or only have limited music production experience under your belt. The right rap beat can help to set the mood of your song, which is crucial when it comes to conveying your message and getting your listeners to feel the way you want them to. Step 1. Choose an appropriate sound kit. A rap beat is the backbone of a rap song, and choosing an appropriate sound kit to build your beat from is essential. If you want to make a rap beat that will knock your socks off, it's important to choose a sound kit that fits the genre of music you're trying to make. For example, if you're making hard-hitting EDM or dubstep, try using trap-style kits like those found on the Beat Store website. Step 2. Add some beats. The beat is the backbone of a rap song. It sets the tone for the entire track, and it can make or break a song. You can create your own rap beat by following these simple steps. 1. Download GarageBand from Apple Music. 2. Create an instrumental track, drums, bass, guitar, keys, etc. 3. Add some samples to polish up your song. Step 3. Put down the beat hook. Now that you have a beat hook, it's time to put down the beat. You can do this using a drum machine or any other instrument of your choice. Try to keep in mind what the beat hook sounds like, and try to make the entire song sound similar with varying degrees of intensity. Step 4. Build an intro and outro section. This is the perfect time to build an intro and outro section. Using your first and last track, you can build an intro and outro to separate the individual songs on your album. While making these sections, try adding a short sound clip from one of the beats in between so listeners know where they are on your album. For example, intro could be followed by a clip from the intro beat, outro could be followed by a clip from the outro beat. Step 5. Lay down the vocals. Once you have the beat, it's time to get some lyrics on there. You can rap, sing, or use a pre-written song if you don't want to write the lyrics yourself. If you're using your voice to rap or sing the lyrics of a song, then just follow along with the beat and feel free to freestyle if you're not sure what words go where. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up.